testing the completed battery pack, checking the voltage, and making sure everything works properly before installation. Here, as you can see, we have our Mixstream Pro opened up. We're positioning the batteries. In my case, they fit perfectly on the right-hand side. We lay out the cables and check their length to see what would be sufficient for us. Next, our battery connection is located underneath this metal plate. We unscrew these screws here and remove the cover. At the charger socket, we have 3 pins. The upper one on the inner side is the positive terminal, while the 2 pins along the edge are ground, our negative terminal. After this, it's also a good idea to secure it with Kapton tape to prevent a short circuit when we screw the cover plate back into place. As you can see, in my battery pack, I used an XT60 connector, as that's what I had available to disconnect the entire pack. In case we need to open it up and make any changes, there's no need to desolder the wires from the board. Very important, to be able to charge the battery while using the device at the same time, you need to use a charger with an output voltage of 12.6 volts and approximately 3 to 4 amps. The original charger may not be able to fully charge our battery pack. Based on the calculations, I think the battery should last around 2.5 hours, with a maximum runtime of up to 5 hours. So far, I've tested it with approximately 1 hour of use, and I haven't noticed any difference. This video shows how I built mine. Everyone can do it differently using a different battery pack, a different BMS, or a different UPS for power backup.